Wana juga dibikin meramatin to all the mothers and the fathers and the parents out there, to all the grandpas and grandmothers. Di Vinaka and Nabugin di Pontoboli and the school bus.
Yeah.
And Matakiko maybe some starting to leave home now. And the Buri Kedanama Kido Tala Sigi Buli Makakin Nadaka. The Kimberly Keda, the Tumbu, then we Susan Vinaka Dams, and Vinaka Eleanor.
Vinaka by Tani and Abe and Delani and Delani Abutambu and another way Corcorto, the Kusaran and the Viti, and a Buguni can take Butakitali to end on the singing Rabitabi, Bakalitur and Batamata and Nananda Punua, Gain the Bakasamtakir. The ones in the interiors, we feel for them, and especially the kids when they leave early morning to go to their respective schools in the morning. We say good morning, and we hope that you will enjoy whatever activities that has to be carried out today.
Yes. Right. Good morning to all the surrounding. Alright, we sometimes kaya dawal takir to na become bula.
Right.
But they play a major role in our life.
All right.
Don't ever underestimate or ignore them.
True up.
Because if you see a tree, you see the tree in a normal, it's not a human being.
Right.
But he gives you so many things.
Right.
Fight the tree.
Fight the tree.
Gives you oxygen.
Gives oxygen.
Right.
Gives herbal medicine.
Yes.
Gives you firewood.
It beautifies our surrounding.
Yeah, beautify our surrounding.
Yeah.
Helps to healthify our surrounding.
Healthify. Okay. This morning, Eleanor,
yes.
Have you heard the tell about the crossing cut of the sugarcane plantation?
No.
Thames Kerkere.
Please.
Once again, for our listeners out there, meron nga naman na talo nimbong ni Villa Nebula.
Right.
Matarbi kare the kilo Thames.
Gondo na this one day,
yeah.
When I was schooling na FNU in Lambas,
right.
So one time, I just finished, I just went to my auntie, Nayani, the Nayani and the Petueli family from St. Mary. We say good morning to you.
Yeah.
Right.
So from there, I just came back from study. So from there, I walk from St. Mary right to Tobata. It's not an easy...
Tobata Makui.
This Tobata Lambas,
Right.
So you have to pass Waikona, the Kalsa Gurnana College, pass Waikona, then pass Nawanda on the side, Nadula, coming there from Nangai and Nailawa, Wesavulu, and Nasikula side on the side like this, then you pass right to Tobata. And this place, Mbalabwe,
right.
If you follow the long route, and
for those who are tuning in this morning, the message, to their benefit, baka ikut singgo na VTFM 2311 Manururi Suba.
Yes.
Baka ikut tombali ke Madibi.
You walk like this nearly to Nambua.
Wow. Tombali Suba 2311 Manururi.
Yeah.
To
Nambua.
Right, Mai.
Okay.
So that's where you so from there.
What a distance.
Yeah.
If you follow the route for the highway,
yes,
it will be long.
Right.
Because it's like a square straight like this, then from there you go another like a square corner.
Yes.
Angle on the corner. So if you want to take a crosscut, people said it's very, very dangerous.
Oh.
Makai pono batawani.
Oi, okay.
Yeah, so one of our cousin to staying there at Rausasa, crosscut there to Nailawa.
Right.
So from Rausasa there, they said, this one, and the low rate and do naturanga, this one, like evil, eh?
Yeah. Evil spirit there.
Yeah, though low rate.
Right. This guy is just
so if you
man.
see
right.
the Suki is being lightened in the dark,
right.
That's him.
Oh.
So if you smell of spray, if you had a crying of baby,
right,
in that pond, that's they are in.
Oh, they are in there.
Yeah.
Right.
So myself, one day I cross that crosscut.
Oi.
Together with Tamay Junior, Tamay Sela sa Kukuday.
You knew that it's the you knew.
No, myself don't know.
Oh, okay, right.
So we take the crosscut.
Right.
Yeah.
Before this story.
Yeah.
We take the crosscut. The Otavala is from Nukuser and Dongotuki Madwata.
Yeah,
He is married to our sister Ulamila Bata. So when we go past, we about to cross one mango tree plantation.
Right.
Dolongan ni Magongo. And the thing is very dark. But the moon too is very sign.
Right.
So
Dila ko kontra mula. Right.
It's very dark and the moon is shining.
Yeah.
So you are using the moon
As a
to
torch.
guide you, eh?
not guide. The moon is on. He's doing his job.
Right.
But we take the cross cut.
Yes,
So
no,
whenever listen,
because it's dark.
yeah, whenever we cross the any plantation,
Yeah.
it will be dark in the.
All right.
So
Bula
from the
ko siya
corner-
gaga.
Yeah.
from the corner side of the when you look like this, you look through, eh?
Yeah.
You like this, satu menararamay puno ya.
Right.
So you can see whatever things in this dark.
Right.
Rio.
Right.
Because
Right.
the shadow of him,
Yeah.
we like 10 meters away from him.
Yeah.
I saw one man. I saw one human body.
Oi.
I saw one
The
human
figure,
body.
eh? Yeah. Yeah.
He's lighting
Suki.
a suki. But for me, when we walk together,
Yeah.
I was like this. No.
Yeah.
This is maybe somebody is
Yeah, this is
thing
just
here.
a normal,
maybe someone
man.
is dating here.
Right.
I was like that.
Yes.
They was want to talking.
Maybe someone want to. Right.
So when I about like 5 meters away from him,
Yeah.
this fella move away from the road.
Yeah.
He going to one Saribuni Mango. So when we are about to reach that Bunimango, where this fella passed,
Yeah.
I was looking on the left, looking on the right. I didn't see him. I didn't see the grass fall.
Yeah.
Me mbambale na do, eh?
Yeah.
I passed this on the where he stand,
Right.
just like one frog. Nandreli ko nang boto ni biti.
Yeah.
Baka nga melande ko sambo to mole awati nandreli ko nang boto ni biti ko kandulande ka hari kakalilay. Meta urban na leba mo si melande ba nalingamu.
Yeah.
Na kena ya uta, ndo na kailande ba na bang. So that same week, came back from the cinema. This is from the story.
Right.
I never take the cross cut because I know
Yeah.
the place is Bakatawan.
Yeah.
So I take the long route.
Right.
I take the long route. Doon nalongan nindo busangay musuo ti saranga.
Yeah.
Clear cut.
Iya, clear cut.
Promo.
Tuyo, 2:30
Yeah.
to 3 p.m. this thing happened.
Right.
Always to my Sidmir. So I campus. I
Think about that time. 2:30. What's he doing there? Said Mary.
study.
Oh, 2:30 a.m.
Iya, doing the study.
Standing on the roadside.
So I come.
Yeah.
I come and never took the long route.
You
I
are
take the cross cut from the home.
You
Yeah.
are the.
So I pass
evil
like this, so
spirit
the
yourself.
sugar cane there, lamba
Right.
sa sugar cane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I go to the sugar cane, I see one man in the middle of the sugar cane, baka sangkay musuo tinano,
Yeah.
Napuno tukin lang nito. Clear bandua.
One figure standing
Yeah.
in
I see one figure standing, and I was singing, eh?
Yeah.
Kami na ulang aserto kamay.
Mas trazer lotu.
Siya nga ulang aserto kamay.
Ay.
there. No, tala ko. True story ko, Eleanor.
Di na true story, no?
Yeah.
Lang aserto kamay. From there, I saw a figure, like 15 meters away from me. Ngay kila nito na puno lala, like only one coconut tree is
Yeah.
on the middle of the farm.
Right.
I see this fella. This fella saw me
Yeah.
before I saw him.
Right.
Kwari dia willing.
You eye to eye now.
He, I. The fella look at me.
Yeah.
I look at the fella. But
Yeah.
myself, nanguni salo muriani, and nabole kati ko saranga.
Right.
Like two
5
lovers
meter.
in the
Yeah.
middle of the night.
Right.
Like
Looking
5
at each
meter.
other's eyes.
Like 5 meter away from me.
With a
Napuno
full
na
moon.
muriani
With a
na-
full moon at the background.
When I come,
Yeah.
the fella didn't stand straight like this, eh?
Yeah.
How come?
The fella.
Ha.
Sama ka me bango, me lucu boleh leka.
Me squat.
Iba kami sa squad, me bunita
Iya.
kami una kena balamu, una kena rira, eh?
Yeah.
But one thing,
What?
the fella naked, no clothes. Already bango,
Oh, ready to run.
already bango, lili to kamu konto na funibara. Naga maisul. O bango ata mo maisul.
Oh, the full moon niya.
He was doing that. Make bula for myself, first time for me to see, eh?
Witness.
To witness. So I standing 5 meters away from him and I'm watching him.
Yeah.
Ko satu bandua.
Iya.
Sabarin dia tu mai, sabarin ko tu. Au sarin na mawi, taralong ni race. Au sabang ko ke bakal taralong ni race. Saya ngai be mama turun ko na tu.
Nggak bilang balita lagi.
Kurma, para may pare.
Metiri na mbele chini.
Bisip-bisip bara. Mikaela kalau pula eriin kan tahun.
Sangkay matay ni ngona mi uri dakila usok ka bang kono ko makasama sinto nung kumbisi ni singkona nona. Sinto na ka biyaw. Au mo so may bala baka usok taw bala.
Kano matan lo lerecer na para.
Ay,
Begin na lang ko. Osante mo cross na. Osante mo lumaba.
Magkaisa ka dito na ka. Sasigirin nila ka magkirita ka, eh?
kasama sa libang ko bata bakeng kay doon may kakilang kay nuka kata ni tikon.
Ayo.
Yo,
Jadi di
ibale
pa ya?
naman na puno tukin ayaw. Ibale to na puni bay le butukin na.
Hey,
Lay buto tiko baka mo sutong bale may baka mo sa kibiti ko ali simul.
Ito na melayang gasi di buah.
Amen, doon mga mut. Pasien sa libo la kay puni bay. Baka sa tumburi on dan taman ni rere le musin ni rere baka usa baka bakilan indo na feeling sa bala katiyaw. Wey na mura ka ta do na vis. Vivi ngay bale matang ni ka ubang karato siba.
Iya.
Ubang ratin ng tabalo kukude.
Iya.
May nukusirin tungutuk. Bale. Ndo tama tayo may ebulo tuy aray mo bosa ba nung
Iya.
nutu eh.
Iya.
Ndo tama tayo may ebulo tuy aray. Tolera damanda. Kerunggay faso man kerunggay adamay apa sa mata ka. Napun wala la ya nilongon nindo na puno rambay le wala.
Jadi dia mata nga doon may service yung.
Iya kaya bakay din nga na kero ridi ko.
Iya.
Kero sa talangi kuni ko. Boy.
Ha?
Kailan rabi na sobi. Boy, ay so
Ano,
na.
Ker. When you go back to Lambasa,
Aku.
go there to no, listen to me, Ker, please, eh? On behalf of our listeners.
Right.
Go back there, take one big billboard,
Right.
and right there, Vara. Vara Nation.
Warren Nation.
Ano yan?
Hey, sakali. Hey, bagaimana kan dari talo di Vara? Na mataka di baka tamis ni kuha. Iso na kaba do ato weekend tu eh. Kita bitalo ni kuha neli saksakan ni nonta sende na nolo menonta baosi. So sa do ato bira kini kerungo. Ito do rongo tu ngayon tapos bibina kanin tu eh sarap-sarap ngayon mata na buto.
Iyo.
Sing tali may
Saro
tao
to
mo,
me matua bina ko to ko na na bi kami balik terabula.
Ya ko na buki-buki ni kay kabayan ni bulas sambera may
Iyo.
kilaw ko batero ko sala ko bu sari di road.
Dia ko ni study taka bina ko to na time kay din to lang ni.
Ya na nga tema diam si.
Iyo, na time ay.
Pues
Tabi,
kung nga usir sa ni mo lokon no rida kaya baka wasa nama katiko kaya warere
Iya.
entang ko siya sa nama kasi orang nga tun dai tal no ninduen daw
Wala ka nga sota.
Iyo.
Sa tunga.
kero so tayo ka rimo re no siya ni urere siya daw
Right.
kay ni mo de
Mataka.
Eh, yar bina ka tay tiko, yar